The future of work isn't coming. It's already here. A robot with 6 arms is outworking humans. A humanoid in the UK learned to walk in just 48 hours. MIT is transforming spoken words into real objects. And in China, an AI traffic cop is controlling real intersections. This isn't science fiction. Every breakthrough is happening right now, reshaping the world around us. In China, Media Group unveiled a revolutionary factory robot at the Greater Bay Area New Economy Forum on December 5th. Meet Miro U, not just a humanoid, but a machine designed for maximum productivity. It has a human-like head and torso for standard workstations, but instead of 2 arms, it sports 6 fully functional bionic limbs. The design isn't about copying humans, it's about achieving more in less time. Mounted on a wheeled base, Miro U can reposition quickly, stay stable, and rotate 360 degrees in place. A vertical lift system allows it to adjust height seamlessly. The lower limbs lift heavy parts, while the upper limbs handle precise assembly, all simultaneously. According to Wei Chang, Media Group's CTO, Miro U abandons mimicry in favor of real operational efficiency. Pilot testing starts this month at a Wuxi washing machine factory, expected to boost changeover efficiency by 30%. Media isn't stopping with factories. They've split humanoid development into 2 paths: Miro series for industrial tasks, MEA series for service and home roles. The MEA bipedal robots are planned for media stores in 2026, helping customers, running demos, and interacting directly with the public. Media's expertise builds on years of investment, acquiring KUKA in 2017, launching the Blue Orange Laboratory, and opening a Humanoid Innovation Center in 2024. Miro U is the 3rd generation, and it's the first robot to exceed human physical limits while fitting in human workspaces. Across the globe, Humanoid in London has unveiled the HMND01 Alpha Bipedal. The shocking part? It learned to walk just 48 hours after assembly. For context, humans take around a year, and robots usually need weeks or months. The project from concept to prototype took only 5 months compared to the typical 18 to 24 months. Simulation played a huge role. Using NVIDIA, Isaac Sim, and Isaac Lab, Humanoid compressed 19 months of locomotion training into 2 days, allowing Alpha to gain millions of seconds of virtual experience before even taking a real step. Alpha stands 179 centimeters tall, carries up to 15 kilograms, and has 29 degrees of freedom excluding end effectors. Its modular hands can swap between dexterous 5-finger grips or simpler parallel grippers. Sensors include 6 RGB cameras, 2 depth sensors, a 6-mic array, haptic sensors, force torque feedback, and joint monitoring. Processing is handled by NVIDIA, Jetson, Orin AGX, and Intel i9, with a swappable battery providing 3 hours of runtime. Alpha can walk straight or curved paths, turn, sidestep, squat, hop, run, recover from pushes, and manipulate objects with precision. In simulation, it trained for over 52.5 million seconds of locomotion. At MIT, researchers built a speech-to-reality system that converts spoken requests into real physical objects, not renders, not digital simulations. The system combines speech recognition, large language models, 3D generative AI, geometric processing, and robotic fabrication. It has already produced stools, chairs, tables, and decorative items like a dog statue. This transforms generative AI from screens to the physical world, collapsing the gap between idea and object, especially for prototyping, custom furniture, and small batch manufacturing. In Hangzhou, the humanoid Hangzhou #1 is on duty in live traffic. It syncs with traffic lights, wears a fluorescent green uniform, and uses precise gestures to direct cars and pedestrians. It detects helmet violations and illegal parking, issuing polite reminders. Trained with real traffic officer data, it can switch between traffic control and civil persuasion modes. Deployment will expand to high-profile areas like West Lake and Qiantang New Town, with future upgrades integrating LLMs for voice interaction and public guidance. This isn't the future. It's already here. Factories, streets, homes, and labs are all evolving. Robots are walking, lifting, creating, and even directing traffic. The revolution is happening right now. Stay tuned. The next breakthroughs are just around the corner. Hit like and subscribe for more updates.